Hi, my name is Samuel. I come to Ukraine from Ghana. The first thing I noticed was the amazing nature and friendly people. I felt the freedom in the air and the sincerity in the smiles. I decided to settle down in Cherkasy, a small and cozy city. Surely I was somehow worried and wondered if I would feel comfortable here, if I would find friends here, and most importantly, if I would go to find this city myself. Can I actualize myself here? All the worries were blown away when I entered the Bohdan Khmelnytsky National University of Cherkasy. The university offers training in 52 specialization areas, and you can become an economist, a lawyer, a psychologist, a journalist, a translator. Anyone can master a field of history and liking. Besides modern classrooms, there is a publishing department, medical center, 4 cafes, and 2 canteens. By the way, it turned out that the Ukrainian cuisine is utterly delicious, especially when borscht with sour cream is handed out of the university canteen with the trademark "Rich of Smachna." I may not be very good at pronouncing it. Still, with such a support of friends and qualified instructors of the university, besides there are over 500 of those, I'm sure I'm going to be fluent in this language before long. This is my friend Simon. He is a footballer. For me, the Cherkasy National University has become not only the place where I study to become an economist, but also the place where I can practice my hobby, football. After all, Chinewu has 7 practice grounds, 11 gymnasiums, and workout rooms. We are always fit, and that is really great. By the way, sport is not the only thing available here. There are all sorts of concerts, contests, festivals held at Cherkasy National University. Clubs are created, movies are made. If you ever hear about the Freiburg Book Crossing Club, Student TV and Radio, or in the Mountain Theatre, Student Drink Festival, Miss Chinewu contest. By the way, Ukrainian girls are extremely beautiful. All of these things are parts of life at our National University. Well, have a seminar tomorrow and we still need to get ready. Let's go. You can do quality preparation for classes at the Mikhailo Maximovich Scientific Library that has over 700,000 books and periodicals. At the student disposal, there are 7 reading halls with 500 seats, 23 computers with free internet access, and you can stay at one of the 5 dormitories. I, for example, I live at dormitory number 3 and I'm free here right at home. Comfortable rooms, all the necessary furniture, kitchens with all the appliances, a laundry room, showers, and the view is very awesome. Most importantly, it is a stone's throw from the university. I'm sure that I remember the students' years at the university are the best one, and I'm sure I realize myself in Ukraine or abroad. All thanks to Cherkasy National University.